Hello guys, and welcome again into my 737 home cockpit. In the last couple of weeks I've built in my 8-inch touchscreen, which you can see here in the lower display unit. Yeah, you can remove this side to get access to the keys. It's not mounted yet. The 8-inch touchscreen is driven by an USB video card, and it's running SimAvionics, the multifunction display unit. So you can select one button in the overhead. I remapped, for example, the checklist, the additional engine information, as well as the system information from the rudders, the trimming, etc. So when I switch back to the checklist, quite all of them are the standard SimAvionics checklist key items. So I have to change this in the near future to get all my items from my paper checklist up also in the electronic checklist. As you can see, two of them are already green, so if you touch now, for example, the standby power, it will go to green, so that represents the status. On the right hand side you have the a warning. If the checklist is full, you can switch to the second screen, so you will have more space for one checklist available. You can then menu, for example, jump to another checklist, for example the after start checklist. If you mark all of the items, it will say in the bottom checklist completed, and with a click on the left button it says, it's very hard to read, it says normal, so it will automatically load the next checklist. There are also some items, for example, you can see here the TCAS is on. Some items are getting their status from the SimAvionics software suite. So if I turn now the TCAS off, the TCAS will change from green to white, so that it's not correctly set, and you can see that we'll get the status from the SimAvionics suite. You don't have a checkbox in front. So if I turn on TCAS again, it will automatically get marked as green. I can also say, okay, let's overwrite this item. Okay, that's only working with items I have to set manually. For example, I jump into hydraulics and say override item, it will get magenta, so that means that the item is overridden. I also can select clear on this way, checklist reset, so the checklist will get resetted again, or I can select reset and all checklists will get back to the standard. As you can see, you have a couple of spaces there available to generate your own checklists, and all these checklists are driven from SimAvionics. In the server installation you have there a text file, an ini file. It's called, I think it's called checklist, and you can create your own check. Okay, that's all from me now. As soon as I have the checklists available, I will make it to you also available via my blog. Thank you, and bye bye.